here at Montawari Football Club. Another canopy I'm doing. So I washed all that down. Washed the canopy, fan. Scrubbed it all down. All nice and clean. I'll give it a final clean in a second. Sides all scrubbed, so draining it out now. And truck mount. So Nathan's cleaning the fan for me. I've got Aaron downstairs cleaning the rest of the balloon. So that's all been scrubbed as well. The fan's getting done. A couple of days ago, Nathan was doing some windows at one of our schools. Nathan got that truck mount to 135 degrees Celsius and it actually melted a brush, a nylon brush. Well, it's nylon, so yeah, it's going to get cooked. But the glass came out really well, so happy days.